또 반나에서 이렇게 인터뷰를 진행해 보도록 하겠습니다. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
지금 라오스에 오신 지가 이제 얼마 안 되긴 했는데, 오우, 정말. How do you feel about Laos in your travel?
Laos has a unique atmosphere
Uh-huh.
and kind people. I really liked it.
How long have you been in Laos?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Wow, quite a long time. So how do you feel about Laos?
I like Laos laid back atmosphere, like sabay-sabay,
sabay-sabay.
bopenyan.
맞아요, 맞아요.
I really like that.
Mhm.
People are
Very nice. Yeah.
very nice.
You now is visitor Banna village. How do you know this village?
Oh, this village. This is very different from everything. The people's lifestyles are, how to say, like 100 years ago. lifestyle.
Wow.
Yeah, and how children play is interesting.
Yeah,
They,
right.
they can have fun with nothing. Just
Mhm.
yeah, they seem so happy.
So normally we think this is Korea is 1960 or 1970 is a similar year,
Yeah.
is very past. So you Banna and here and you eat the Laos food. So is it good for you or?
It's good. It's simple but
Uh-huh.
very tasty.
Oh really?
Yeah.
It's compared with the food normally you eat, rice and other things. Here's the food is delicious
Yeah.
for you.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh.
I prefer simple food.
Really?
Yeah,
Sometimes I feel spicy
Oh,
and
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, some food are spicy.
yeah. Sometimes you avoid to eat that
Yeah,
spicy
I
food.
didn't eat them.
And how do you feel about the Laos living cost? Is food and housing?
Yeah, it's very, very cheap compared to Japan or European countries. It's accommodation, food, everything is cheap.
Yeah, and very cheap, so affordable for most everything.
Yeah.
And it's easy to. Sometimes it can feel like the flex. Sometimes when I was in Korea, I try to do these things. First, think about cost and how much
yeah,
is
yeah,
it.
yeah.
But here's just I asked how much to pay. I don't know the exact price. Yeah, it's very simple and
Yeah.
cheap, so it's very good for traveling.
Yeah, and it's also not like tourism thing. Like people are not interested in
Yeah,
tourists, so
Yeah.
they don't try to make money from tourists.
yeah, yeah.
So it's-
I think here this area is popular in Japan.
maybe.
Maybe.
In Japan, like
Yeah, yeah.
normal Japanese people.
I think
No.
I didn't see many Japanese near
Yeah.
here.
I don't think so.
Uh,
Because it's convenient, inconvenient.
yeah, inconvenient and not
And-
popular, and maybe
Yeah,
it's
and
kind
cold
of
shower.
uh-huh,
Like,
unknown places in Japan, I think.
yeah.
Wow. So do you speak Lao language?
No.
How do you communicate?
With local people.
Uh-huh.
Some of them understand simple English. So,
Simple English.
Yeah.
And body language?
And gesture, yeah.
Gesture. Yeah, but it's hard to communicate, but it's no problem to travel.
Yeah, no problem.
Just we wondering what they do or what it is, but it's hard to figure it out. But just look and go, and it's
Yeah.
normally travel is fine. So and you meet many Laos people, and they are very friendly
Yeah,
and
very
kind.
friendly.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, out, outgoing.
Outgoing.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah, yeah.
For example, how?
I met a tuk-tuk driver.
Tuk-tuk driver. Yeah, yeah, they are
Invited me
outgoing.
to like,
Yeah,
drinking beer and,
Yeah,
and barbecue party.
and may suggest many tour courses, and
Yeah.
they speak English. Yeah, it's easy to communicate than other local people.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's very. I think it's tuk-tuk drivers are not representative for Lao people.
Yeah. But here in this village, people are like waving me and smiling
Yeah.
me. So
I think
Not-
it's very pure.
yeah. Not aggressive, but just kind atmosphere.
Yeah, so it's not dangerous at all to travel
yeah.
Laos
Yeah.
now. And you meet many Laos dogs and cats. I saw they are so
cute.
friendly and cute.
Yeah, especially dogs.
Uh-huh.
They're so cute.
Sometimes they fighting. So you saw that they fighting. I think just when I see that to food eat.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Sometimes they try to protect their area, but except that they are so friendly when you see the cows and
Yeah, there's so many
chicken,
cows and
yeah,
chickens
dogs.
in the road.
But dog and cat, they don't fight each other at all. Just
Yeah, but there are less cats. Like,
Less cat.
There are few cats here.
uh-huh.
Mostly it's dog.
Dogs. Yeah, they protect the places.
territory.
Territory. And the cats, oh yeah, rare. It's chicken, cow,
Yeah, chicken,
lots of
cow.
because
a lot,
they are
a
food.
lot.
Have you seen the pig and goat?
No.
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 Yeah, there's the pig farm over there.
Oh really?
Yeah, there's another
Oh,
goat farm. Is a
I
little
haven't
bit
seen
far
that.
from here.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so they usually eat beef? Meat?
Beef and pork and chicken and deer and monkey.
Deer.
Yeah, deer.
Monkey.
Yeah, and there's the buffalo also.
Oh,
Yeah,
buffalo, yeah. I see.
they eat many things around meat. I think you like meat.
Yeah, I like meat.
Yeah, and there's the many vegetables around here. Is you can see that there are river streams. You follow the river streams. There's many vegetables, and they also farms,
Yeah,
and
right.
they can get many food from nature.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
beautiful.
I went with them there to fish.
Oh,
And
fishing.
yeah, and after fish, we got many fishes. And then when you come here, it's on the way. There's the many vegetables and fruits. We collect, and then we eat together and fishy barbecue and together. It's so delicious and very healthy, I think.
Yeah, from directly nature.
Yeah. It's like nature, and I think you like Laos a lot.
Yeah.
So, do you recommend Laos travel to other people?
Yeah, I would recommend, but not for tourists who want gorgeous things, but for travelers who want to see local, just genuine local lifestyle people. And I would recommend for
And
them.
hiking maybe.
Hiking, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, beautiful nature here. So.
yeah. In the morning, night is also beautiful. It's the
beautiful,
skies, the
yes.
stars, and recently it's a very full moon.
Yeah.
Yesterday I watched this way. Normally the moon is right this way, but yesterday I couldn't see that. So I checked it over there. Yeah, different angles. Wow, it so changed.
Yeah.
Wow, it's just so but bright and beautiful.
Yeah,
And,
I think so.
yeah. So I think I can recommend this route for traveling, and but it's not easy to stay long time. Very
It's
inconvenient. Yeah. If you
I
just
miss
can.
hot shower.
Yeah, exactly. Hot stuff and the shower. Here's no steam, warm water.
Yeah, and no internet.
No internet, so inconvenient. But just if you want experience some local life, and if you want to stay calm and quietly,
You can stay in peace.
yeah, peace. Yeah, I think I can recommend someone really like the meditation and yoga, something.
I think so.
Stay.
It's the best place.
Yeah, best place. Okay. Is there something to say about the Laos in your travel experience?
I thought Lao language is very, very cute.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like Popenyan.
Ah, Popenyan.
And Nyan and it's very cute. I like the sound.
And the sound is like the singing, sometimes shouting. So normally when they talk, they don't look each other.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
They
I
talk
didn't realize that.
just looking other side
Oh,
and
that's
talk,
interesting.
but they communicate.
Oh,
And
okay.
they see that it's a little bit far place, when I heard it's hard to recognize, but they recognize easily,
okay.
even it's far
Wow.
distance. Wow.
Interesting.
Yeah, very interesting. I heard you fell down motorbike.
Yeah.
You have to take rest. Wow, 10 days.
10 days.
Wow, so
Two
still
weeks ago.
accident.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, the road is crazy.
yeah, road is
I
crazy.
don't recommend.
Yeah, rental bike. If you skilled, it's fine. But if you are not, I think it's need to practice or protect the gear like someone. And have to be careful when rent bike, and the road condition is not good. But I think it's Laos is inside. City is fine, but if go outside, it's kind of the off-road. It can be dangerous.
Yeah, very dangerous.
Yeah, but Vietnam, Thailand is good.
Yeah,
But
I will travel in Vietnam again.
Yeah, but have be careful about much traffic there. There is the good lessons. And I think Laos is a very good place to travel because it's cheap.
Yep.
And the people kind, and the nature is beautiful.
Very beautiful.
So I want to stay long, but inconvenient and visa problem.
Oh, visa.
Yeah, just,
I only have 15 days.
15 days.
Yeah.
Oh, different.
So 2 days more. Yeah, only 2 days. So.
Oh, you have to hurry
Yeah, I
to
have
get
to.
out of this place. Just one day over, you just have to pay $1.
$1?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Not
so
that
no
bad.
problem, I think. Just $1 for one day. If you 2 day, $2, something.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a big problem, but I don't know you'll not come back again as soon as possible. So someone need to renew just to go and back. I don't know there's a problem or not. But 2 days, a bit hurry. 15 days is too short to travel Laos.
Yeah, I got free visa. So that's why.
So maybe you will come Laos again, or
Yeah, I will.
you
Definitely,
will.
Yeah.
This time here, or maybe you'll visit the city or southern part.
This village.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to see more. So.
Oh, you wanna see more?
Yeah, I stayed in Luang Prabang for 10 days.
10
so,
days.
Enough.
Long time.
Yeah.
Luang Prabang. Yeah, it's a big city, but very touristic.
Yeah, too touristic.
Yeah, just 1 week is enough to looking around, and the other place. There's many place to see and watch. So I want to travel more places
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Thank you for everything and to have time and
Thank
your
you so
interview.
much.
Thank you. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.